Toddlers. Cluck, cluck, wake up, the sun's shining bright. The farm is alive, it's a wonderful sight. The roosters are crowing, the cows start to moo. Come on, little animals, the D's waiting for you. Chickens are clucking, all fluffed up and neat. Pigs roll in the mud with their wiggly little feet. The horses are neighing, the ducks go quack. Plus you're moving, no time to slack. Cluck, cluck, stretch high, reach for the